Hello, good afternoon. Well, first of all, I have to ask you something. Have you ever wondered how your phone, daily use product, uh, arrived to your hands? Like, what was the process? Things like the fabric process, how it was transported to your city, to your country, and to ended up at the store where you buy it? Well, who I am Emiliano Verajonda. Well, I am going to tell you how this process happens with the iPhone 17 Pro Max, but it can also be like every iPhone or phone. So in this presentation, you are going to learn where are the phones manufactured, how, and how it arrives to your country, and what happened when they arrive to your country, and how can you buy it on the store. Well, first of all, where is it made? The iPhone 17 Pro Max, but it can be all the iPhones, like I said. They are manufactured in Sengo, that is this city over here. It is like really modern. And then there is at the Shenzhen city that is from China. Both of them are from China. And then there also can be manufactured at India, in Tamil Nadu. Well, they are manufactured by these companies, Foxconn, Pegatron, and Wistron. They uh, have to, when they like manufacture them, they have to test them that if they work correctly and every function is working right, they have to check them and they pack them as the criteria from Apple. And then, what is the first step after the product is made? Well, like I said, they test them, and after they test them and pack them, they uh, keep them in shipping pallets that are these things, uh, like here, and all these wood stuff and the boxes right here. And then they are stored at a warehouse. Then they are registered at the system of Apple, and like all these series numbers and all that kind of stuff. Well, this step is important because it's like the last step to the prepare to the international transport. How does the product travel to Mexico? Well, first, um, after they being kept at the warehouse, they transport them to the international airport of Chengdu Shenzhen, that is also from China, and they are mostly la, um, shipped by air, but they can also be shipped by sea. But it's more common shipped by air because it's more secure for the electronic devices, and it's also fastest and easier. And then these shipments can be flown to the airports of Los Angeles, Houston, Guadalajara, or Mexico City. Mostly of these flights can take around 14 to 20 hours. Uh, what happens when the product arrives in Mexico? Well, like I said, they have been shipped by air to Mexico, and before the phone arrives in Mexico, they have been inspected in the factory, like I said, and the padlets are inspected, the documents are checked, and taxes are applied, and they are sent to the national centers in Ciudad de Mexico, Guadalajara, or Monterrey, and they keep them and again update them to the inventory. And how does the product reach the store or the final customer? Well, like I said, they arrive to the Monterrey, Guadalajara, Ciudad de Mexico warehouse, and they are registered, and then they can be transported by different stores, mainly like the Apple Store, but then also it could be like Telcel, AT&T, or Liverpool, that they also sell Apple products. And in conclusion, well, like we now know how the iPhone can be travel from where they made it to or the final country where they are going to be sold. And this can be applied for all or many of the products that are made in China, and mainly all the products of Apple, like the Apple Watch, iPad, uh, MacBooks, and all that. Well, now well, after we, no, before we buy a product, we can ask to ourselves like where this was made and all that, and also what was the process that makes that the phone is in front of you. We have to take in account like all the natural impact that these shipments from the planes and the cars and the trucks that are used have an environmental impact that can be affecting the world. So we really need to ask ourselves if we really want to make that buy and is necessary for us, or we can like wait or see for another option. Well, thank you, and that's all.